Bonjour ami, je m'appelle Uliana Tarasova. C'est pour... Non, excusez-moi, mon français very bad. Why I start speaking French? Because today we will make classic Alsatian brioche Kouglof. This recipe by chef Ramon Marada. For the recipe we will need eggs, butter, flour, cacao powder, sugar, salt, inverted sugar or honey, milk with yeast, nuts, raisins, milk chocolate. For the first step, I will mix in my machine flour and cacao powder, eggs, sugar and salt, inverted sugar, add milk with yeast. I will mix with a hook 10 minutes. Look at this texture. This is after 10 minutes. Now very slow I will add cold butter. Look at this texture. It's very soft. And now we will add the next ingredient. My dough inside the bowl, and I will leave it for 3 hours. This is my dough after 3 hours. Now we will put the bowl in the fridge for 12 hours. I want to show you my dough after 12 hours in the fridge. It's very hard because butter became cold. Now I will divide my dough by 200-300 grams, independent of the mold. This is specially mold for Kouglof from Alsace. From this dough I have 4 molds. And now I will leave in my molds for 1-2 hours for good proving. When dough will be ready, we will bake it in the oven. After baking, I will brush my Kouglof with butter. And after butter, I will cover it with the sugar. So guys, let's cut it. I would like to test it. It's very tasty.